Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're revealing the top 10 surprising foods that can help lower blood sugar levels naturally. Some of these foods might already be in your kitchen. Whether you're managing diabetes or just interested in healthy living, this list could be a game changer for you. Let's get into it. But first, let's discover what diabetes is. Diabetes is a chronic health condition that affects how the body processes blood sugar glucose, which is a major source of energy for the body's cells. In a person with diabetes, the body either doesn't produce enough insulin or can't use insulin effectively. Insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that helps glucose enter cells to be used for energy. There are three main types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes. This is an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. People with type 1 diabetes need to take insulin daily because their bodies don't produce it. Type 2 diabetes. This is the most common form and occurs when the body becomes resistant to insulin or doesn't produce enough of it. Type 2 is often related to lifestyle factors such as diet, exercise, and weight, though genetics also play a role. Gestational diabetes. This type occurs during pregnancy and usually resolves after childbirth. However, it can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Let's discuss the symptoms now. Common symptoms include frequent urination, increased thirst, hunger, fatigue, and blurred vision. In untreated or poorly managed cases, diabetes can lead to serious complications like heart disease, kidney disease, vision problems, and nerve damage. With that being said, we are now going to look at how to manage blood sugar at home with blood sugar-friendly foods. Kicking off our list is cinnamon. Studies suggest that cinnamon's polyphenols can improve insulin sensitivity and slow down glucose absorption. Add a teaspoon to your coffee or smoothie for an easy, natural blood sugar boost. Next, we have leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. They're low in calories but packed with fiber, which helps slow sugar absorption and prevent spikes. Apple cider vinegar may help lower fasting blood sugar. Studies show it can improve insulin sensitivity after meals. Try adding a tablespoon to water before meals, but be sure to dilute it well. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and seeds such as flax seeds and pumpkin seeds are low in carbs and high in healthy fats. They help keep blood sugar stable and can curb sugar cravings. Garlic has been shown to help reduce fasting blood sugar levels and improve cholesterol. Try adding fresh garlic to your dishes, but keep it raw or lightly cooked for the best effects. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of fiber and omega-3 salve. They help stabilize blood sugar by slowing down digestion. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or even your smoothie. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in sugar, especially if you choose unsweetened. It's a great way to curb cravings while keeping your blood sugar steady. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are low glycemic and packed with antioxidants. Their fiber content can help slow down sugar release, keeping blood sugar levels stable. Turmeric, particularly its active compound curcumin, has shown promise in supporting blood sugar control. Here's how it can help. Improves insulin sensitivity. Curcumin has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, helping cells to use glucose more effectively and potentially lowering blood sugar levels over time. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to insulin resistance and high blood sugar. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce this inflammation, supporting better blood sugar management. Antioxidant effects. Curcumin is a powerful antioxidant, and by reducing oxidative stress, it may protect cells from damage that can worsen insulin resistance. Last but not least, lentils and other legumes are excellent sources of protein and fiber, which help slow glucose absorption. Try adding them to salads, soups, or stews. Now that we've covered the top 10 foods, Let's put them together in a quick and easy recipe that helps keep your blood sugar in check. Here's a delicious chia pudding made with Greek yogurt, chia seeds, a dash of cinnamon, and berries. Thanks for watching. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet is a natural way to support healthy blood sugar levels. Remember, small changes add up, so start with a few new foods each week and see how you feel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy.